How to make skin lightening cream at home. See results in just 14 days. A flawless skin remains only a dream, given our hectic lifestyle. To add to that, many other factors like pollution, harmful UV rays from the sun, and improper diet can damage your skin further. There are a lot of skin lightening agents that are sold in department stores. However, most of these products are either too expensive or do not provide us with the results that we are expecting. In an attempt to help you save some cash and do away from all those chemicals, you can learn how to make skin whitening cream at home. These recipes only require inexpensive ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. Watch this video and be ready to prepare your very own homemade skin whitening cream. Ingredients: 3 to 4 almonds, 1 to 2 cups organic plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, pinch of ground turmeric. Almonds, lemon juice and turmeric are some of the most powerful natural skin lightening ingredients in the world. They can produce results comparable to many chemical creams and have been used for centuries for their natural bleaching and brightening properties. When you combine them with the nourishing and moisturizing properties of yogurt and honey, the end result is a luxuriously rich skin cream that not only lightens, but also improves the overall health and condition of your skin. Use a food processor to crush the almonds until it becomes powder. Make sure to watch it carefully as it may turn into almond butter if you process them for too long. Combine the almond powder with the honey, lemon juice, turmeric and yogurt. Stir and make sure that the mixture is blended thoroughly. Apply a small amount of skin lightening cream every night before bed. At this time, skin goes through a recovery cycle in which hormones are released that increase blood circulation and open pores, making it easier for creams to penetrate and be absorbed. These creams should not be used during the day. Lemon juice may react negatively if exposed to the sun. Expect to see results in 14 days. Store the cream in a closed jar in the refrigerator and use within 7 days. If you really find our tips useful and interesting, please share on Twitter, Facebook and Google+ to spread the word. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to get an update for my new videos. Thanks for watching.